Where the way esika bom and where the need ba near fanya say yada. In the first place, when we say we are running a joint account, it is because we have a venture that we are focusing towards it and let it be established between the two of us. And to show Companies Act now a promulgated joint account now. Here is because it's a limited liability. And now a jumebia and yen papa ko adwen and they disburse funds. Kafra say na number. Yes. Say and yen papa ko adwen and they echiche sika. And yen papa ko adwen and they say yen budan ngu yen sifufro. Because it's a limited liability, regulations are promulgated directors. Anything joint account by with decision from some hierarchy. Sign.
Of course.
And now one person can sign when I'm not there. Now, marriage is not a business venture. Keep that out of the show. Our dear, any business venture. Our dear, any business venture. A one-way traffic.
And then one-way traffic.